Hello everyone, and welcome to this fun crochet coaster tutorial. Coasters are perfect for protecting your surfaces while adding a cute, handmade touch to your home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you've got this. I'm so excited to guide you step by step. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more cozy projects. Let's grab our yarn and hook and get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring and working 8 single crochets into it. That's written as MR8C. Tighten your ring, slip stitch to join, and you've got your base. Great job starting strong. Consistency is key here. Tip, keep your tension even for a nice, tight circle. Next up, round 2. We'll do 2 unfinished double crochets followed by 3 chains, repeating this 8 times, written as 2 unfinished DC 3GH. 8. You're building the foundation for something beautiful, keep it up. Tip, don't pull too tight on those chains. Let them breathe a little for the next round. For round 3, we're adding some texture. Work a bobble stitch, chain 2, another bobble stitch, then chain 3, repeating this 8 times. Bobble stitch, 2 bobble stitch, 3 8. Look at that pattern popping. You're doing amazing. Tip, push those bobbles out to the front for a bold look. Moving to round 4, let's create some shape. Work 5 double crochets, chain 2, a single crochet, chain 2, and repeat this 8 times. 5 DC, touché, SC, touché. 8. You're halfway there, and it's looking so pretty. Great work. Tip: count your stitches carefully to keep each section balanced. For round 5, we're growing the coaster. Do a double crochet increase, 3 double crochets, another double crochet increase, then chain 2, repeating 8 times, DC ink 3DC, DC ink 2CH. 8, you're nailing it, stay focused. Tip: place your increases directly above the ones from the last round. On to round 6. Work a double crochet increase, 5 double crochets, another double crochet increase, chain 2, and repeat 8 times. DC ink, 5DC, DC ink, 2CH. 8. It's taking shape so nicely. You've got this. Tip: keep your hook loose to avoid curling as the coaster widens. Finally, round 7. This is a fun one. Chain 2, work 7 double crochets, chain 1, a single crochet, chain 1, 7 more double crochets, chain 2, then a single crochet repeating 8 times, K2, 7DC, K1, SC, K1, 7DC, K2, SC. 8. You did it. It's gorgeous. Give yourself a pat on the back. Tip: weave in your ends neatly for a polished finish. And there you have it, your very own handmade crochet coaster. I hope you had as much fun making it as I did guiding you. If you love this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crafty goodness. Share your finished coasters with me. I'd love to see them. Happy crocheting!